Hi Aaron, my name is Marco, I'm from Spain, and I would like to ask you if you could help me with my frontside 180. I'm going to show you my ollies, so you can see.
Hey Marco, thanks a lot for sending your video. I really do appreciate it. That's so rad. You're from Spain. Just shows the international skateboard community.
As you can see, I can make them, but the problem comes when I try to make a frontside 180.
Yeah, not bad on the ollies. Not bad on the frontside 180. You're actually very close. You have a lot of good things going for you. I think we can sort this out so you can land this quite fast.
Okay, so as you can see, I can land it, and if you could help me, I would be very grateful, and don't stop making videos.
Thank you, I appreciate that. So let's watch here. Your head goes and turns. You pop the board up. That was actually very close. Your back foot was very close to getting on there. It just barely missed it. Similar on this one. But notice, like at the very end of both of those shots, your shoulders were turned more than your head. That's one thing I always look for on the frontside 180s is whether you're turning your head first and turning your head and shoulders all. But really, like, if your head is not turning and you try and turn your shoulders, that's just going to put strain on your neck, and it's going to prevent you from doing the full 180. The first two shots of your frontside 180 were very, very close. They were just a little under-rotated, and then your back foot was dragging behind a little bit, which means we needed to pop it up, pop up the ollie a little bit more, and then just turn your head and shoulders a little bit more. Like, we really got to keep that head rotating around. Like, you have to look in the direction that you're going. So watch how I do this right here. I'm kind of showing you just how to practice just going up and popping and moving your head and shoulders to that side, the frontside 180 direction. So notice what I'm doing there. Like, I really turn my head and my shoulders, and then my legs follow. So, but the other thing also is you have to also concentrate on your ollie a little bit more. A lot of people, when they first start doing the frontside 180, they take it as like a whole new trick. It's not really a whole new trick. It's more of like a different spin on the ollie. Like I cover a lot in a lot of these videos. You may as well just call it an ollie 180. I mean, basically that's what it is. It just kind of gets shortened to frontside 180 because it is very, very similar. You really just do an ollie. The only addition that you're adding in there is turning your head and shoulders, and that's why I always look for the head and shoulders as being something that is not totally correct. So you pop up your ollie, and then as you're turning your head and shoulders, then your legs are going to follow. So you get that ollie up into the air a little bit more. So just keep practicing your ollies and 180s every single day.
Use the promo code SANTA for 15% off everything at brailleskateboarding.com. Get all of your gear and all of your videos. Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 through 6 and all of your gear. Go there now, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, 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 oh.